If you're looking to increase the value of your home, there are many DIY projects that you can do without spending a lot of money. Here are the top DIY projects that can help increase the value of your home. Number one is paint. So painting your walls is a simple and affordable way to freshen up your home's interior. A fresh coat of paint can make your home look newer and more modern. It can increase your home's value by up to 2 to 5%. Landscaping. Improving your home's curb appeal can make a big difference in its value. You can start by planting flowers, trimming hedges, and cleaning up your yard. You can also add outdoor lighting to make your home look more inviting. Update the fixtures. Replacing old fixtures with new ones is an easy way to update the look of your home. You can replace old light fixtures, doorknobs, and cabinet handles to give your home a modern look. Upgrade your kitchen. The kitchen is one of the most important rooms in your home when it comes to value. You can make simple upgrades such as replacing old appliances, painting cabinets, or adding a new backsplash to give your kitchen a fresh look. Add storage. Adding storage to your home can make it more functional and attractive to buyers. You can add shelves, built-in cabinets, or even create a closet under the stairs to increase your home's value. Upgrade your bathroom. Upgrading your bathroom can be as simple as replacing old fixtures or adding new towels and rugs. You can also consider updating your bathroom vanity or adding a new mirror to give your bathroom a modern look. Add a deck or patio. Adding outdoor living space is a great way to increase the value of your home. You can build a deck or a patio, add outdoor furniture and plants, and create a welcoming outdoor space for entertaining. By doing these simple DIY projects, you can increase the value of your home without breaking the bank. These projects can make your home look newer, more modern, and more functional. So get started today and see how these projects can increase your home's value. My name is Joe Poliak, San Francisco Bay Area real estate agent with Rise Homes, and if you're thinking about buying or selling real estate, I would love to help you and your family make your next move. Thanks again.